Stop scrolling right now. What if I told you one simple sentence in your introduction can make people respect you instantly or ignore you completely?
Wait, seriously? Just one sentence can do that?
Yes, and most English learners are making that mistake every single day.
Now I'm really interested. I think I might be one of them.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We are so happy you joined us today.
If you want to speak English confidently,
Like real people in real conversations.
then subscribe to this channel because here you learn English like real conversations.
Yes, no boring grammar, just natural speaking.
So today's topic is something very important:
Something we all do almost every day.
how to introduce yourself in English.
It sounds easy, but I feel it's not that simple.
Exactly. That's why today we will go deep, step by step.
But first, let's introduce ourselves.
Of course. Hi, I'm Ali. I help people speak English with confidence and enjoy the learning process.
Hello, I'm Sarah. I love learning languages and sharing simple ways to improve English speaking.
That was a basic introduction
Yes, but we didn't feel nervous.
because we kept it simple.
So is simple always better?
Yes, simple is powerful.
Okay, let's start learning.
Step 1, your name.
That's the easiest part.
You think so, but wait.
What do you mean?
Many learners say, myself Ali.
Oh, I've heard that so many times.
That is incorrect in English.
So what should we say?
Say, I am Ali, or my name is Ali.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Perfect. That's the most natural way.
So short is better.
Yes, English loves short sentences.
What if I want to sound more formal?
Then say, hello, my name is Sarah.
That sounds professional.
Exactly.
Okay, what's next?
Step 2, your age.
I don't always want to share that.
That's okay. It's optional.
When should we include it?
In school introductions or sometimes in interviews.
So I can say I'm 22 years old?
Yes, or simply, I'm 22.
That sounds easier.
Yes, always choose easy and natural.
I like that approach.
Now, step 3, your country.
This one's important.
You can say, I'm from Pakistan.
Or I can say I live in Pakistan.
Yes, but be careful,
Why?
because I'm from Pakistan means your origin.
And I live in Pakistan means current location.
Exactly.
Small difference, big meaning.
That's English.
Okay, what about hobbies?
Step 4, hobbies make your introduction interesting.
Yes, I love this part.
You can say, I like reading books.
I enjoy watching movies.
Perfect.
Can I say my hobby is reading?
Yes, that's correct.
Nice.
But listen carefully. Common mistake alert.
Oh no, what now?
Many learners say, I am like reading.
That sounds funny.
Yes, but it's wrong.
So we say I like reading.
Exactly.
I will remember that.
Good.
What's the final step?
Step 5, your profession or studies.
Okay.
Example, I am a student.
Or I work as a teacher.
Yes.
What if someone is learning English only?
Then say, I'm learning English.
That's simple.
Now, let's build a full introduction.
Yes, I want to hear it.
Confident. Hi, I'm Ali. I'm 25. I'm from Pakistan. I love teaching English and helping people. I work as a language coach.
That sounds very natural.
Your turn.
Thinking, then confident. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm 22. I'm from Pakistan. I enjoy reading and learning new things. I'm a student.
Excellent.
I feel more confident now.
But wait, one more important thing.
What is it?
Clear. Your tone and confidence.
So, not just words.
Yes, speak clearly, smile, and be relaxed.
That makes sense.
Curious, let me ask you something.
Yes?
Questioning. If someone says, myself Sarah, I am from Pakistan, I am like reading, how does it sound?
Laughing. Honestly, not very natural.
Exactly. That's why small corrections matter.
I see the difference now.
Good.
Can we practice again?
Of course, let's make it more casual.
Okay.
Relaxed. Hey, I'm Ali. I'm from Pakistan. I love teaching English.
Smiling. Hi, I'm Sarah. I enjoy reading and learning new things.
Happy. That sounds like real conversation.
Yes, not like a textbook.
Clear. That's the goal.
Thinking. I have a question.
Curious. Go ahead.
Asking. What if I feel nervous?
Reassuring. That's normal. Everyone feels nervous.
Soft. Even you?
Laughing. Yes, in the beginning.
Surprised. Really?
Yes, but practice makes it easier.
Motivated, so I just need to practice more.
Strong, exactly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Happy, let's do a quick recap.
Smiling, yes, this will help everyone.
Clear, step 1, say your name.
Example, I'm Sarah.
Clear, step 2, say your age if needed.
Example, I'm 22.
Clear, step 3, say your country.
Example, I'm from Pakistan.
Clear, step 4, share your hobbies.
Example, I like reading.
Clear, step 5, talk about your work or study.
Example, I'm a student.
That's it.
Excited, so simple and clear.
Encouraging. Now it's your turn, everyone.
Friendly, yes, don't just listen, practice.
Strong CTA. Write your introduction in the comments.
Excited, we really want to see it.
Smiling. And don't worry about mistakes.
Warm, mistakes are part of learning.
Strong CTA. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because here you learn English like real conversations.
Happy, like this video if it helped you.
Friendly. Share it with your friends.
Motivating, keep practicing every day.
Warm. You are improving step by step.
Smiling, we believe in you.
Happy. See you in the next episode.
Cheerful, goodbye.
Friendly. Bye.